I'll give you a rundown summary of this place. So it's H Condos. It's at the end of Sukhumvit 43 off of Sukhumvit Road. About a 12-minute walk from the Phompong BTS. Maybe about 14 minutes from the Thong Lo BTS station. So, but it's called H Condos. It's right at the end of the road, right at the end of Sukhumvit 43.
Okay, let's go.
Okay, so here's the balcony, nice sized balcony. So big enough to put a table and chairs. So you can have your coffee in the morning. There's your view. Very nice view. And that road leads to Sukhumvit, which is where the BTS is. It was about a 12-minute walk from the Phompong station to here. For me, I walk a little faster, so might be a little longer for you. And then it's probably about 12 minutes from the Thong Lo BTS. But they have a shuttle that runs every 15 minutes and drops you off right at the Top's 24-hour store, which is right close to the Phompong station. So that's nice. So in case you don't want to walk, if it's raining, just wait every 15 minutes and grab your shuttle. So a nice sized couch. And then TV's medium sized. I can't get this locked. Oh well. You got AC out here, big unit, nice sized dining table. And then the kitchen's got a huge refrigerator, a freezer combo. And you got a washing machine, which is nice. Water kettle, dishes. You've got dishes with pots and pans, it looks like. Lots of cabinet space above and below. And let's see what this is. Just more place to put your utensils and your cookware. But it's good size. Looks like original wood flooring, but it's an older unit. Bad. And it's 2-bedroom. So the second bedroom is here, which would be if you have a kid, this would be where they would be, or if you have friends coming over. And then there's their wardrobe here. Not a bad size wardrobe with shelf up above. Got a nice window with a view. Couple power connectors there. It doesn't look like there's anything else, so that was the only one. Oh, you got 2 down below too, so that's good. And then here's the first bathroom. Sink, mirror, counter, walk-in shower. And then your toilet here. And then back over this way, got the master bedroom with a really nice view. I mean, look at the windows here. Goes all the way across and ceiling to floor, basically. And you got that beautiful view with lots of, this is 8th floor, so you got lots of green too. So you got a mixture of both. You got the beautiful landscape, the beautiful buildings at night. I'm sure that's lit up very nice, but you've also got the greenery too. So you're not feeling like you're completely stuck in the city. So that's a nice thing. And then over here is the wardrobe. You got a nice size wardrobe here with shelving below and above. Place to hang your stuff. And then on the other side as well. And then the king-size bed, a nice headboard, and it's nice and soft. If you like soft mattresses, you don't see a lot of soft mattresses in Asia. This one's pretty soft. It's pretty nice. And then you've got a little desk area there. And then here's your master bath. There's a big mirror. It looks like, yes, you've got a place to put your stuff right there. And then counter here, nice long countertop. You got a tub shower combo with a rain shower head and a handheld. And then the bath, the toilet is the Japanese style. So you got all the options there. So that's kind of cool, and a nice sink. So, okay, so let's find out the cost. How much is the cost? How much is this again?
How
For 1 year?
1 year, 35,000.
35,000, and then for 6 months it's 39. Is that right?
39,000.
And then you also do short term, also like 3 month.
3 months, 42,000.
42,000.
Yes.
And what's the size?
62 square.
62 square
Square
meters. Okay,
Yes.
very good. And then 1 month advance and 2 months deposit. Is that what you require?
Or deposit if 6 months and 1 year to 2 months. If 3 months is one month. And
Oh, okay.
payment advance 1 month.
Okay, all right. So if it's 1 year, 1 month rent, 2 month deposit.
Yes.
Okay, okay. And facilities?
Yes.
You'll show? Okay, perfect.
Somewhere inside the
Okay, that's men's sauna and restroom. Okay. All right, let's see here. We got a couple of stationary bikes. Oh yeah, nice view. Yeah, very nice. Two treadmills, ellipticals, bench, and then you've got your couple machines here. There's your work your uppers there, and there, and this machine for your legs and possibly abs. And then you've got some dumbbells here, free weights. So yeah, not bad. It's basic, pretty basic, but it's got what you need. And it's an older condo, older building. I'm not sure. I'll have to look it up, see when it was built. The unit itself was decent. It was good size, 60 some square meters, and the price was 35,000 baht a month, which is about a little over $1,000 a month. But it's 2-bedroom. So if you're looking for a 2-bedroom and lots of room, you've got this. And it's all furnished. It's got all the basic furnishings: couch, table, chairs, a refrigerator, stove, water kettle, microwave, dishes, cooking utensils. It's got all that. And king-size bed in the master bedroom, 2 baths. And so it's pretty nice. And the fitness center is okay. It's basic. It's got basically 2 of everything. The price, I think it's pretty reasonable. I think it's okay. Actually, they were asking more. I think they were asking like 45 or 50,000, and they lowered it. It does have free Wi-Fi, and she said she thought it was 300 megabytes per second, Mbps up and down. So that's pretty good. What else? Air conditions in the living room, both bedrooms. Got a washing machine, which is nice. So all in all, it's a nice Thong Lo, between Thong Lo and Phrom Phong. It's a nice area. It's a really nice area. So it's got all the amenities. Thong Lo's got your kind of a Japanese, a lot of Japanese restaurants and that. Phrom Phong's got a lot of English and Irish pubs and restaurants. So you've got a nice little combo of locals and expats that live in this area and visit this area. So I think it'll be all right. If 35,000 is in your budget, I would definitely look into it. And this is the shuttle. It leaves every 15 minutes. So since it's raining, I'm not going to walk. I'm going to take the shuttle. All right. there's my shuttle. It just dropped me off. It's kind of stopped raining. It's just sprinkling a little bit. So, okay, so we just viewed that condo. I'm going to give you my thoughts on it. Okay, the big pluses are the balcony, because you got a big balcony, which can be rare in Asia. It doesn't have the washing machine right on it, you know, so you've got a big balcony and lots of room to put a table and chairs so you can sit outside and have your morning breakfast or coffee, which is really nice. And the view is beautiful. It's got a great view. Another big plus is the master bedroom with all the windows all across the wall there, basically ceiling to floor windows and a fantastic view. Those are the major pluses. It's 2 bedrooms, so for a guy like me that wants to have a studio, like a real studio, instead of using my dining room table, I can use that smaller bedroom for a studio. Or if guests come over, they got a place to sleep other than the couch. So if I got a buddy visiting, he doesn't want to get a hotel room, he wants to crash at my place for a night or whatever, we got a bed there. And it's got 2 baths. So master bedroom has their own bath, so you don't have to worry about your guests using your bath. They have their own. And both baths have showers. So those are the pluses. I would say the okay side of things is that the rooftop pool got a great view. That's a plus, I guess. Great view of the rooftop. It's on the 32nd or 33rd floor. So that's a fantastic view. It's got a nice little covered area where you can sit, a couple lounge areas where you can sit, enjoy the scenes. You know, at night, I guess, I'll bet it's beautiful at night with the lights of the city. The okay part is that the pool is okay size. It's not the biggest pool you're going to find, but it's not super small either. And it's an infinity, so that's kind of cool. It's got a sauna. Let's see, what else? The gym is just okay. It's just basic. It's got your basic machines, so it's not like super complicated. So if you're heavy into working out and you really want to get a thorough workout, you probably have to get a gym membership. Another big plus is the shuttle. That takes you right down to Sukhumvit 41, drops you right off. So we're already at the BTS, the Phnom Penh BTS. And we've only been walking about 3 minutes. So that's another plus. It's in a little older building, so the quality doesn't look as, quite as good as some of the newer ones, like the condo I'm in now. I mean, you can tell that condo's 3 years old. This one's a lot older, you can tell. But I think it's built pretty well, because another plus is you're in an area where there's not a lot of traffic, so you don't hear a lot of noise. So that's a big plus. You're away from the major roads, and you really don't hear anything when the balcony door's shut. So that's kind of a plus. I guess the minuses would be just the build of it, just the look of it is old. The bathrooms, you can tell that the fixtures are a little older. It does have a Japanese toilet in the master bedroom, so that's a plus. But yeah, it's just a little bit older. So if you want something super modern with modern amenities like a co-working space and what the newer condos all provide, you're not going to get that here. You're going to get the basics, but you're going to get a large 60 plus square meter, 2 bedroom, 2 bath for $35,000, which is right around a little over $1,000 a month. So whatever you may be looking for, but that's what you got. Now, the place I'm going to go look at Saturday is actually an apartment, and I'm not sure exactly the location. So if it's close to the yellow line, which is the MRT line, which runs by my condo, it's a little farther up the chain a little bit. But I'm going to look at that one, and it's a big apartment, 70 square meters, and it's only 25,000, probably because it's not super close to any trains, any stations. So we'll see. But let me know in the comments below what you thought about this condo, and I'll put information on how to contact the place if you're interested. It's for rent now, so it might not last long. Like I said, she dropped the price. So, but make sure you like, share, and subscribe. And as always, live life, my friend. We'll talk to you soon. Bye.